everyone and welcome to all of you in this new video. Today I'm going to explain flowers overcast reviews. Friends, this is not our website. If you have never ordered anything from this website, then this unbiased review will help you in deciding the answer of this question. Should I buy from it or not? And guys, if you have experienced any fraud over this website, then watch this video till end because I'll share the way to get your money back. So stay tuned with us and let's get started. So guys, it is an online store based in United States that sells multiple products including the portable steamer, stainless steel sink drain basket, adjustable stainless steel rope string, and water pipe stud finder, Android for Android phones, etc. You can take a look at the product list by visiting the menu option. And guys, you can see the company is offering free express shipping on orders over $59. Now talking about the payment information. So guys, you can take a look here. The modes of payment available on the website are Visa, MasterCard, American Express and PayPal. And furthermore, you can take a look at the payment method here. Guys, I think these options are not clickable because this website is not mobile friendly. Anyways guys, let's talk about shipping policy. So guys, talking about shipping policy, and according to the website details, the shipping duration will be 12 to 20 business days. Now guys, before going further, I request you all to like this video, share it with your friends and subscribe our channel. This will boost our spirit to make more such informative videos for you. Now guys, let's talk about those important points on which we can judge this website as a scam or legit website. So this website is using a secure and valid HTTPS connection, which is a good sign. But talking about the domain information, the domain name was created on 30th of July 2020 and it is 2 months 8 days old website guys. So we can't trust this website easily. Now guys, let's take a look at the about us section. So as I've already said that these options are not clickable, so I'm not able to view the about us section here, but when you will visit you will find limited info. They have not provided the information regarding business establishment year, business owner name, brand connection info, etc. And guys, talking about the contact address, so they have a contact us page, but when you will visit the contact us page guys, they have provided the email address and official address of the company, but the address seems copied address as it is not clickable guys. So yes, we can't rely on it, we can't trust this website on the basis of copied address, and the email which is given on the web page does not matches with the domain name, which is a bad sign guys, and they have mentioned normal Gmail ID. Apart from that, the site has social media presence on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Pinterest and YouTube. But guys, these social media icons are misleading and are not active. And talking about the return policy, the company is offering 30 days return policy from purchase date. Guys, to comment about your experience in refund or return of the product because it will give benefit to other customers while reviewing a website or making any online purchase. As guys, I have already said that this website is a newly launched website, so the site has not been rated by any user yet and we have found no reviews about this website. So in the final conclusion, the website appears to be a scam website. You should stay away from such type of scam websites. And for money related problem, you can get your money back by checking our links in the description area. Do comment your thought about this video as well, and we read all your comments over every video, so keep commenting, keep supporting, and don't forget to like this video guys and subscribe our channel today. Be informed, be safe, and thanks for watching the video guys. Have a good day.